All right. Um, it's time to start talking about your research essay and getting a topic and choosing a topic. It is really important for this essay that you choose the right topic because if you don't, it ruins the whole thing and you can't do it. Because this essay is different than anything else we have written in our class. So I wanted to spend some time to kind of talk through this with you to make sure that you understand what you need to do to choose a topic, and then you have an assignment to go ahead and do a topic proposal. So I'm going to kind of walk through this information on this page with you, stuff that's below my video, and then you'll be able to write, and I'll give you some feedback. So first, let's talk about the essay prompt. It says, explore a topic that you are interested in but know little about. And you want to think about a question that you have, because you're going to be framing this. It says you won't begin your essay with a thesis statement because you haven't formed an opinion about this issue. Instead, you will begin with your question. So you can't choose something that you already have an opinion about, right? So I couldn't choose public school versus charter school because I already have an opinion about that. For instance, if I was going to do this essay, I would probably write about Mars. And the question would be, should we go and establish colonies on Mars, right? Not can we go, but should we do that as a species? Like, is that okay to do? And it says your topic must have 2 points of view, two sides that are in debate. So in my example, it would be, yes, we go to Mars and build colonies. No, we don't go to Mars. Or maybe there's somewhere in between. Yes, we go to Mars, but we don't build colonies, right? And so those would be what I would think would be my two sides. So as you're thinking about your question, it needs to be something you don't have an opinion about, and it needs to have two sides. So those are the things you're thinking about. Then I have this list under topic selection. I have a list of topics I won't approve. And like I say right here, these topics aren't bad topics. It's just you can't live in our world without already having an opinion formed about these things because people are talking about them all the time. And a lot of times your opinion probably is connected to your parents since you are so young and what they believe. So all of these things, go ahead and read through this list. All these things I won't approve. If they come in, I'm going to write in your feedback. Topic not approved. Go choose another topic. Do the assignment over again. And so I don't want to see any of these things because you can't live in this world and not already have an opinion about it, not already know something about it. So then here's some example research questions from old essays that went really, really well, right? So one that I've really loved is, does reading books for pleasure make you a better person? So that has two sides, right? Yes, it makes you a better person, or no, it has no effect on your personality. Another one I really liked was, why do some memes go viral while others don't? And so you would have two sides of the debate, right? This one is, does outer beauty lead to greater success in life? That one's been, the person who wrote that essay did a really good job, right? And so they said on one side, it's yes, outer beauty does give you greater success in life. Or on the other side, it's no, it doesn't. It has no effect on you. And one of my favorite ones is, should uncontacted tribes in the Amazon be contacted and integrated into modern society? And this one was interesting because the student that wrote this one was flipping through Netflix and saw a documentary about this and had read the blurb and just hadn't gotten around to watching the documentary yet. And she said, well, can I watch this documentary as part of my research? And I said, absolutely. That's awesome. And she was really interested in it and did a ton of really great research about this. So these are the topics I won't approve. These are some example research questions. And then you're going to write a topic proposal for this assignment, and you're going to turn it into this Dropbox. You're just going to start a new Google Doc, call it research essay topic proposal, and this is what you're going to do. You're going to compose 250 words. And every time I tell students, write 250 words, they go, oh, 250. 250 words is barely anything. It's like 3-4 sentences if you do it right. It's really not that much. You are going to detail your research question, which is the issue, why you want to research this question, and the 2 points of view you think you will be exploring. Now, when you do your question, you're going to write out, my question is, should people go to Mars? And then you are going to write down why you want to research that. And the reason I need you to put why is because a lot of times from your why, I can tell whether you already have an opinion formed about that or not. And so I'll have students that say, I want to write about, what's a good example? I want to write about what the effect of expropriation of land in South Africa has upon its population, because I think that the South African government is awful and they are taking away this land that has been for these people for generations and they're giving it back to the natives, and that's not okay. That's an opinion. And so sometimes I'll write back in your feedback, this is an opinion. You have to choose a new topic. And it's not that I'm picking on anybody when I'm giving you this feedback. It's I really need you to do a good job of choosing your topic for this paper, because if you don't choose a good topic, it ruins the whole paper and you can't do it right. So it's really important that you pick something that you don't have an opinion about, and your why. So for mine, it would be, I've always been interested in science fiction, and I think that it would be really interesting to have a colony on Mars, but I don't know if that's the right thing to do. Would that, have bad effects, right? So see, that didn't have any opinion in it. I'm just expressing my interest and my curiosity in that question. And then you talk about what your 2 points of view are. I need a heading. I want the title of this to be research essay topic proposal, double spaced, and you can use the first person in this. I've included a video for you. If you don't know how to do word count in Google Docs, this will show you how. You can just watch that video. You're going to turn this in, and then I'll go ahead and give you feedback, and you'll need to come back and check to see if your topic proposal has been approved or not. If it hasn't been approved, don't get upset. Just go and do a new topic proposal and then turn it in. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll talk to you later. Bye.